Hello and good morning! I am so excited today because today is the installation of our split type aircons. I will not hide my excitement because it will be the first time for us to use split type aircons here in the Philippines. Usually kasi puro window type, 'di ba? So the installers just gave us a call earlier and they said they are now preparing and they will be on their way and we will be the first customers. Okay, calm down. Pero excited talaga ako. Bibidyohan ko sila. I hope they really know what they are doing. I think it was Thursday, we went to Abenson to get this MIDEA split type air conditioners for our living room and bedroom. They offer free installation. So yun, sana nga ay marurunong nga sila. Baka mamaya magsiputukan yan ako po. Anyway, excited ako. We will supervise their work. At sinabi ko na nga, bibidyohan ko sila. May nag-doorbell kanina. Akala ko sila na yun. Yung palang ulam na in-order ko sa karinderya. Anyway, it's also good. Kasi mamaya gugutumin na kami. At least may ulam na naka-ready. We don't cook here. Since dadalawa lang kami, we don't cook. We just buy from the karinderya. They offer delivery naman sa karinderya eh. Calm down. Eto mga pinag-order ko. We have here sisig. Di ba naka-plastic container pa siya? Giniling na baboy. At monggo. At meron pa, ang breakfast ng asawa ko ay lumpiang toge. Yun ang kanyang favorite breakfast. It's either lumpiang toge or lumpiang Shanghai. I think it's them. Ayan, may nagtutourbell.
Kami.
Yan ang mga installers ng aircon.
Siguro.
Kailangan tulong. Tulong mo eh. Ayaw mo nang pabut. Ano yun? Tulong yun eh. Ayaw mo. Tigno ko.
Dami naman ah.
Ayun, get their own motor.
Ay, dito? Oo, ano yan? Gusto mo ako eh.
So the electrician just explained to me that for the first 10 feet, it's free. As far as the pipings are concerned, and same goes with the electrical work, electrical wiring. Within the first 10 feet, it's gonna be free. Now, if it goes beyond 10 feet, for pipings, there will be an additional 450 pesos per foot. And for the electrical wiring, there will be an additional 300 pesos per foot. Madago to.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay.
So, ang init sa labas. So, as you can hear, they're now drilling the hole para dun sa pipe. I have to come inside the office kasi naka-aircon dito. Kasi it's so init outside, terrible. I'll go out again later. I have to cover everything. Oh my goodness.
Malaki ang outdoor unit.
Laki, no?
Looks like commercial.
It looks bigger than the one in Japan.
Yeah.
I
know
think
we
it's the
didn't
same.
see it, they are all on the roof. No, you're running phone.
iPhone?
Diese iPhone.
Ito na, moment of truth. Tingnan natin kung tagumpay ang installation ni Sir Jerome. Oh, honey, you want to connect to your phone?
Smart device is found. AC1338.
Ayun.
Click to select family VLAN. Okay. Don't even need the barcode.
Really?
Yeah, automatically because it has also Bluetooth.
Naka-Bluetooth siya. Si Sir Jerome.
Oh, yeah, you're running display.
Pwede nyo rin sir makontrol dyan sir pag nag-connecting na sa wifi sir.
Connecting phone to appliance 11%, 22, 33, 40, 50. No, it's slow again. Ano? Wala.
Nag-stop.
Oo, 77.
Ayan na. Wow!
Success!
I don't know why I'm cheering.
Sige, tawag muna si Ate na pagpapalin dito.
Testing.
Wala mo matawag, wala.
Let's save energy. Echo.
Oh, there's energy saving feature.
And then when we just switch it on, we go on boost.
For instant cooling. Cooling na.
ECO, Echo. It's still on Echo. It didn't accept my boost. I think Echo off first. Then it's blowing faster, stronger. Okay, now this is horizontal sweep. You see now the flap going up and down. And now vertical sweep. Now the arm ones inside are turning slowly. So no need for complicated very large remote. You can do it from your phone. I'm just thinking we should close some doors.
Ay, oo nga. I'm standing in front of the aircon and it seems cooling naman. Ay, it's swinging. Okay. Tingnan natin yung performance ni MIDEA if it's good. Well, if it's not that good, what can we do? It's already here. Ayun. That can ease down the heat, especially during the day. Ayan, now it's oh.
Yeah.
Wow.
So
Cool breeze.
my application here tells me outdoors 38 degrees. I'm guessing they're measuring at the inverter. Indoors it's still 34 degrees. I don't know where the sensor here is. Let's see if it goes down.
The outside unit is right here. Drain is also there. Let me show you. Siyempre may drain siya kasi tumutulo rin yung water. Ayan.
Well, we will need Ken because can you go up again? There is now an ugly, well, not very good to see.
Ah, yeah.
Ugly. We will ask Ken to come to make this one here a little bit nicer.
To patch it up now.
Oh, actually, also on the inside you can see a little bit of the hole just below the aircon.
Ayun, coming from outside, coming in here. Ayun, ang ingay. Pero malamig siya. Yes! I knew it. 2 horsepower would be sufficient. Yon. Nakabit na siya. You know, MIDEA uses advanced technology for the aircon. Like for this one in our bedroom, this one is the latest version. The air coming out from the side daw. Saan na ba yan? Yan, dyan sa side na yan. Aside from, of course, the main vent, meron din siya on both sides. And do you know that you can connect your air conditioning to your phone? And yesterday, when the installation was finished, doon lang namin nalaman, oh, we can also use Alexa to control the aircon temperature, switch it on and off, etc. Kasi meron kami Alexa ball. So, yon, Alexa ball. Kasi parang ball siya eh. So, Alexa ball. Actually, it's just Alexa. Okay. Yon. Nako-control niya sa Alexa, nako-control din niya using the phone. At napakaganda ng interface ng MIDEA app. Because you have to download this MIDEA app to be able to use it like a remote control for your air conditioner. So, ang ganda ng interface niya. I'll show you the app.
This is our new control system for the new split type aircons. So I can select one of the two aircons. At the moment it is off. So I can set up the aircon here to the different modes. Of course this only works if it's on. So let's give it a try. Switch it on. Okay, right now it is set to 25 and high fan. Vertical and horizontal movement of the air. Now here I can select eco mode to save energy. And it will be shown only here that the eco mode is on, but it's also shown on the aircon directly. Here I can select different modes: cool, dry, only fan or automatic.